Welcome to Dell Technologies. In this video, we are going to see how to install the OS from ONI. We are in ONI install mode. The switch should have an IP address assigned on its management interface. The switch should be able to reach the external server where the OS file is copied. ifconfig is the command to see the IP address assigned on the Ethernet interface. In this example, I have assigned an IP address 100.104.54.7, and the switch can reach the external server. ONI nos install is the command for installing the OS via FTP. In this example, I'm loading 10524 image via FTP. The installation has started and it would take 10 to 15 minutes. The switch has completed installing the OS 10 on the primary partition as well as on the secondary image. And now the switch is rebooting. Log in using the switch credentials. We have logged in successfully to the switch. Show version is the command to see the existing operating system on the switch. You see that 10524 has been successfully installed. Thank you.